I just hope you all have a really nice day. I'm just out fiddling around and thought I'd show you a little bit about the chicken fences. And this one I weeded a little bit. What the really nice thing about the fences is that they're so far in the dirt that when I pull them out, it loosens up the weeds. And I always do the weeds when it's wet because the roots come out real easy. They're real relaxed. When they're in the dirt, when they're down in the dirt, excuse me, and the dirt's dry, they just hang on. It's real hard to get them out of the dirt. The dirt doesn't move, you know. It just wants to hang on. They just all settled in there. But once they're wet and I pull those sticks out, the grass and weeds, whatever I pull out, comes out real easy. Anyway, you have a wonderful day.